Lightning strikes from storm clouds down to the ground. It also strikes up into storms, and also out into thin air. Sometimes isolated sparks shoot up out of the ground. Lightning channels sometimes sail in strong wind and take bizarre, unlikely paths through the sky. This video is about the weird behavior of strange light, extremely rare prior to the Industrial Revolution, and is said to have only occurred from mountain peaks. Tall man-made structures help trigger this discharge, and increasing skyscrapers and radio antennas are making this brilliant phenomenon more common. Most lightning discharges occur only in the clouds, never striking the earth. This is called intra-cloud lightning, but sometimes it leaps out into the... During a lightning storm, it's a good idea not to be the tallest thing standing around, but that doesn't mean you're safe if you're the shortest. Lightning seems to have a physics-defying mind of its own and often takes unlikely, erratic paths before striking a random target. Milliseconds before a typical static discharge flashes. This particular strike surged through the tree and exploded out the base of the trunk, where it then traveled into a house, frying all sorts of electrical equipment before bursting out the water main on the other side of the house. During some strikes, multiple upward streamers spark up and only one makes a connection. In rare photographs, you can see these lonely upward streamers failing to make a connection. After a strike, the main lightning channel begins to cool and sometimes decays into glowing fragments. This string of dots is called bead lightning or chain lightning. Sometimes lightning photographs have parallel successive flashes or strokes offset.